In this Fusion 360 tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can export something for 3D printing directly to your 3D print utility. In this case, we'll be exporting from Fusion 360 directly to Bambu Studio. First thing to do is select the top level. It's important to make sure all of your items are individual components. That way we can print everything. Then select File, 3D Print. You'll have some options. First, preparation type. Instead of manufacturing or export, select print utility. Now you'll need to have Bamboo Studio installed. You may have Cura or other utilities installed, but once you have Bamboo and you restart Fusion, it should select it automatically. Then our object is this object. Make sure you select 3MF. This will give you a higher quality than the triangulated STL file. Then select OK. This will open it in Bamboo Studio. And if your object has multiple parts, you can decide how you want it to be accepted into Bamboo. Generally, you want to print each part separate, so select No. The objects are imported right on top of each other, so the lid is here. What we can do is press Control or Command A and then select the Arrange tool and just click Arrange. We may need to do some more arranging, but this way we can see our objects. Then you can click on each individual object and click Auto, and it'll generally flip it to the right direction that you need to print. Once you have your pieces imported, double check that the scale is right. Since it's coming directly from Fusion 360, it should be perfect. Then you can select any supports you need, slice your plate, and then go ahead and 3D print it. So hopefully this allows you to export directly from Fusion 360 to Bamboo Studio for 3D printing. Happy 3D modeling.